From Divine Sister of the Light Natalia Alba, Lyran Planetary Grid Network Restoration. Beloved ones, we are heading into the cusp of all the previous month's energies. A new passage whose main Lyran and Sirian frequencies are key to continue restoring the many damaged Earth structures. This year, the 8-8 Lions portal is like nothing we have previously experienced, especially in planetary grid work. From an individual perspective to a planetary one, everything is being transformed, and this year the focus is mainly on bringing restoration to the damaged planetary grid structures that were massively distorted to keep us uncommunicated from other dimensions, between many other non-benevolent purposes, and that are now finally being rehabilitated. Everyone can help by sending love and healing blessings to the earth, even though not a grid worker as such, as there are many types of planetary healers, and all of them are equal to help on Earth's restoration, for we are all one with it, and as ascending souls we all have an agreement to treat Earth with the utmost respect, as she too provides for us. We are at a time when our planet is retrieving its original planetary order and communication with other timelines. And it is pivotal for us to support this new opening through personal clearing and alignment of our own body portals. During the Lions portal, we are going to be assisting again to continue with this planetary mission. As you know, our planet has many structures, such as the fabrics of time and space, and many others that are being rehabilitated, which is why we are too able to restore our DNA. During the 8-8 portal, one of the most important tasks to work with that guides invite us to do is supporting the restoration of the original Lyran Planetary Grid Network, built by our forefathers and destructed eons ago. This is the first message I received yesterday to share for all, and that shall be initiated at this moment, for it is not about a specific day, as its energies are already amongst us. Our main focus at this time is on Egypt, south of France, Bermuda, and the Atlantic Ocean, which is a 5D portal that helps stabilize the Planetary Merkabah fields, Easter Island, which is already a massive grid complex for stabilization, and an interdimensional portal to other worlds. Between many other things, as to me personally, this is the most important gate on our planet. Lastly, Iran's Organic Earth's Gate, all important planetary gates that when recoded can help us heal our heart-mind system, and above all, our original Lyran and Blu-ray human genetic history, lineage, and connection. Egypt and Bermuda represent the element of water, while Easter Island represents fire and Iran, air. Important elemental forces for us to work with to restore the elemental organic earth forces and the water elemental so damaged on our planet. Each space will require different ways to work with. As a planetary worker, you will receive all the instructions when you go to the field, whether physically or remotely. Our Aurora guides give us a crystal to anchor the current energies, and azurite to connect with the 8-8 portal, for azurite's essence is one of the Aurora crystals, for the purpose of opening our soul portal, reconnecting our upper channels, and especially for its ability to help us communicate with the illumined God's worlds, so important for the grid workers. As a tool for planetary workers, guides give us the geometry known as Yantra, whose main purpose is to help planetary workers communicate with the different timelines, for this geometry holds all the universes in one pattern. When used properly to restore spaces or at a personal level, it helps us cancel programs such as blame, guilt, mind control, humiliation, and many other similar ones, seeding liberation for us all to be free, sovereign beings again. It is a freedom code for grid workers to seed it on the specific places where they go to work and find slavery patterns. At a personal level, the 8-8 portal will also bring liberation, as the previous Aquarian moon on August 1st confirms too. Energies that will support feminine healing, especially around certain spaces, such as Iran, open the gate for healing frequencies to be descended and anchored upon them for emotional healing of eons of feminine repression. For the first time in our human history, we are retrieving our authentic planetary grid system, moving into a more simultaneous time and allowing these new openings to restore our physical bodies for our human liberation. As ascending souls, we all assist by being genuine, by seeding our unique essence, light, and personal truth where we are. We do not need to do more or be more, for we are always enough, as everything God births is perfect, as it is made in His/her image. Our mission is to embrace unconditional love and be in a space of divine neutrality, so we can continue spreading love throughout the many earth structures and places that welcome our healing light. The rest is up to God's will and highly evolved beings that are not ours to micromanage or understand, for our role is to simply be love and surrender. Thank you for your efforts to continue being a healing light for all, beloveds. Within infinite love, from NataliaAlba.com.